guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna, and if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe. And as always, if you'd like to follow me on all my social media, then that is right here down below. So today's video, as you can tell from the title, I am showing you how I do my own dip powder nails. I figured I would film this. I have been having a lot of fun doing my own dip powder nails at home, and honestly, it's saving me lots of money. So I figured I would just film it. It's kind of my first video doing like a bird's eye view, and I bought a little tripod off Amazon, which I can link down below. I'm using it right now. It's great. I love it. It holds my DSLR camera and my phone, which is cool, and it can also hold a GoPro, which I don't have, but if you do, it can hold that as well. So I'll link it down below. But it's my first time filming a video like this, so please be kind. I want to fix a couple things on filming next time, definitely. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of different things that I do with my nails, how do I soak off, how I do other glitter, how I do other effects, whatever you want to see, put a link down below. I can go into detail about anything else. I mean a comment, sorry, not a link. Put a comment down below. And yeah, I'm excited about this video because it's something that I really enjoy doing and I've been spending a lot of time doing. I wouldn't say a lot of time, but it's just something I really like to do, and it's like another creative outlet for me, and I've really enjoyed it. So if you're interested in seeing how I do my dip nails, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I already removed my last dip before I started filming. If you want to see how I do that, leave a comment down below. So the first thing I'm going to do is nail prep. This is basically the process right before you dip your nails, just getting your nails perfect and shaped and clean and ready for dipping. So the first step in my nail prep is cuticle care. I bought this cuticle remover off of Amazon. It's from Blue Cross. It was actually recommended to me. It's only like $4, and you guys, this is the best product I've ever used. It is a miracle worker when it comes to cuticles. I swear by it. I have super dry cuticles and they're constantly peeling and they're like overgrown all the time, and after having 2 weeks of dip nails, they definitely need a good cleanup. So I literally just put a small dot of this on my cuticles and immediately go to work with my cuticle pusher. It's so easy to use. I don't know how it works, but it just takes up all the dead skin off your nails, and it's the best, and it definitely speeds up the process, and I love it so much. So you have to have this product if you do your own nails. I'm so obsessed with it. So I'll apply this and use the cuticle pusher on each nail. I have a couple different ones that I like to use. One that's like a flat cuticle pusher, and then one that looks like a little tiny spoon. And then I also have my cuticle cutter, which I use just to clean up the area at the base of my nail. So I do this with each nail and then repeat the process on the other hand. Also, I will link all of these products that I am using in the description box below. If I can't find the exact product, I'll list something similar so that you can have gorgeous nails at home too. After that, I go into some light shaping of my nails, nothing crazy because we're going to do more shaping after the dip. I just kind of put them in the basic shape that I want. So I do square with some slightly round edges, so I'm not constantly like scratching myself with sharp nails. I also just file some ridges out if I see them, nothing crazy. Again, light filing. Also, I'm so sorry that this is like so out of view. I like low-key forgot I was filming, so sorry about that. But again, I'm just doing some light filing.
All right, looking good, girl. So the last step in my nail prep process is just taking this buffer. Mine's so old, so I've had it forever. My dog has chewed it, all that. So I just take this and just go over the tops of my edges pretty lightly. This is supposed to help remove any excess oil you might have on your nails or any extra like dirt that will, when you dip, will prevent your nails from lifting. Some people just use rubbing alcohol, but I just do it with the buffer. All right. It is now time to dip it low and bring it up slow. Am I right, ladies? And guys, gentlemen, if you do your nails, that's fine. Love it. So I am going to be using 2 Revel nail dip powders. I love this brand. I think they have the best quality for the best price. Everything is affordable, so you can definitely look into that. I am also using all of their liquids. There are 3. There's a base, the activator, and the gel top coat. So the base is what goes on your nail first, which is what I'm doing right now. You paint that on your nails, and then you dip into the powder, and the color that I am using is Spree, and as you can see I have another jar in front of me that is Extravagant, which is like a pink glitter, and you'll see me take that out during the video as well because these are my birthday nails, so your girl wanted pink and sparkly, of course. It's super simple. You just paint the base on, you dip, and then I like to tap my finger just to get off the excess. And so I do this process 3 times because I like to have 3 coats because I find it to be stronger. I find they last longer. I usually like to go about 2 weeks, but some people stretch it to 3 weeks. But since I do my own nails, I can do them whenever I want. So I'll speed this up and then I'll show you guys how I did the glitter accent nails. Oh, I also forgot to mention that I take this little brush and I just go over each finger. The bottom of my fingers tend to get stained from the powder, but I also just wipe the nails just to get off any excess powder so it doesn't clump up and get in the way. And then I start my second round of dip. Alright, so now I am starting my third dip, and as you will probably see, I'm going to skip my ring finger and my thumb because I am going to do the glitter for the third round on those 2 fingers. So you'll see me skip those, but I am doing pink as the third coat for the rest of my fingers, and glitter on my ring and thumb, and I'm going to do that separately after I finish this round of pink. Alright, so moving into the glitter, this is the color Extravagant from Revel Nail as well. I usually just take an orange stick and kind of just swirl it around, just make sure it's not like clumped up or anything. And so now I'm going to do my ring finger and my thumb with the glitter, and after the glitter what I like to do is also do a dip of clear. So I have a clear dip color that goes on top of the glitter so that when I do file it, I don't file away any of the glitter. So once again, I'm just brushing off any of the excess from all of my fingers, and then in the next clip, you'll see that I am actually going to dip my ring finger and my thumb into that little clear container. As you can see, it looks like it's white, but it's not. It's actually clear, and again, it's just so that when I file and when I shape everything, I'm not filing off all the glitter. It's kind of just like a protective layer. So once all of the dipping is done, you move on to the second step liquid, which is called the activator, and you apply this generously to all of the nails. And basically what this does is like hardens all of the powder, make sure it's all like one neat hardened like nail essentially. It just kind of like puts the powder together and just like keeps it all together. And basically this just like preps the nails for filing. So once this dries for about like 30 seconds, I will go in with my file and smooth and shape everything out. So next we are filing, and like I said, basically I'm just going to smooth out any of the ridges, make sure the nails look natural or not as natural as possible, and I shape them to the size I want, the length I want, all of that. It's just to make sure that they look smooth and natural and all of that. And I do this with all of my nails, and I'm sorry if I go in and out of view. It's kind of hard to like file far away because you want to be able to see everything that's going on. And this takes me like probably the longest, honestly. This is the longest step. Nice, past Brianna, fixing the camera view, alright. So the last step is step 3, which is the Pro Gel top coat. I don't know what it's called exactly. But basically you do 2 coats of this on each nail. So you do kind of a lighter coat. You do like 2 or 3 swipes in the first set on each nail, and then you wait for that to dry for about, I don't know, 60 seconds or so. And then you go in with a heavier coat, and that's what makes the nails all cute and shiny. So here I am, just waiting for that first coat to dry. How's your day going? What'd you have for lunch? What are you doing tonight? It's Friday. Any fun plans for the weekend? I'm not doing that much. I'll be doing my nails once again. Woohoo! Alright, we're coming down to the wire. So this is the second top coat layer, and again, this is just what's going to make your nails all shiny. So you put this on each nail, of course, and again, this is like a slower, more precise layer of top coat, and then you just dry for about 2 minutes, and then I end with a little bit of cuticle oil on my cuticles, and I just kind of let it soak in, because after using all of the acetone that I used to remove my old powder and all the filing, your fingers start to get very dry and your cuticles start to get dry. So I make sure to apply some cuticle oil so that they stay healthy and nourished. And that's it. Now you have the nails of your dreams. So I messed up and I never actually took pictures after I did my nails. So here's a couple pictures that I just took 2 days ago. Okay, bye.
This video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was sort of a long one, but it is sort of a long process. If there's anything I can improve on with the video quality, even like maybe you do your own dip nails at home and there's something I can improve on, leave a comment down below. I'm always looking for tips. I've gotten much better with practice, of course, but again, I love doing them. It's just like a creative outlet for me. I've really enjoyed it. And again, if there's anything else you want to see, leave a comment down below. I mean, you can leave a comment down below for anything you want to see, whether it's related to my nails or not. I will read them. Again, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps me with like the whole YouTube algorithm and stuff like that. If you want to follow me on my social media, it's in the description box below. Again, if you're not subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get a notification every single time I upload, which is pretty much every Friday. And I think that's all I've got for you guys. So I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye!